do you have any tips for first-time guests?
I do. Make sure that when you get on, you go and explore the whole ship first, so that on the last day you don't think, I didn't do this or I didn't see that.
That's great. You guys agree?
Absolutely.
Beyond the sea.
It's another day, another adventure. It's early morning and I'm leaving Brisbane. Oh, it's actually pretty bright out though. I'm going to Sydney. Getting on another cruise ship. And I want to talk about what's happening here on this channel in the next couple of months. Yep. You see, I'm not making videos anymore. Just kidding. Actually, I'll be pumping them out more frequently. Sydney! I have a bunch of cruise ships and adventures coming up. So over the next month, I want to provide a bunch of tip videos covering a range of topics.
And stay to the end to get the list of topics.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm just a driver, man. I just make sure he makes his appointments.
First off, thanks for being here and thanks for supporting my channel by watching my videos. Okay, back to the tip thing. I really wanted to start this whole thing off with ship tips. Hold on. All right, I'm here on the ship. It always makes me dizzy when I do that. Woo! I have to hurry up because we're gonna sail away soon and I'm gonna go live on my stream. I'm gonna go live on P&O Cruise Addicts group on Facebook, and then I'm gonna go live on P&O's actual fan page. 500,000 people on that one. Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Here is Danny Black. This is the Pacific Explorer. It's a very beautiful ship. Oh, hello, what's up? You can type hello. I can see you. So we're out here for 2 sea days, and I wanted to give you a bunch of ship tips. But to be honest, I'm not a guest. I'm never a guest. I'm here to work, so I don't really know any good tips for you guys. So I figured I'd ask the experts, the cruisers themselves.
She's on the spot.
Hey guys, the best tip ever, get ready for the party every night.
I always pack something for when it's cool on deck.
You do not need to bring 4 cardigans, 1 will be enough.
Don't pack too much.
Keep it to minimum. You don't really need a lot of stuff.
Because I bought 4 and I only have worn the same one the whole time.
Don't eat too much.
We just want to learn the times of the buffet because we keep getting up at the wrong time and then we're starving. God forbid we go an hour without food.
I eat too much for breakfast and then have a nice lunch, and then when it gets to dinner time and we want to go and eat somewhere nice, just can't possibly do it.
Don't pig out on the first day.
Looks like you're like tied up. And
Sorry. I was last night.
As soon as you get onto the ship on the first day, book your restaurants.
Book your restaurants as soon as you get on the ship.
Make sure you book your restaurant straight away.
So make sure you buy a drink package. They're really well worth it.
Try the drinks.
How many of them?
Try all of them.
And a margarita.
This one's a fruit tingle. This is a mojito.
Just work your way through the cocktail list.
Sometimes you need it, even though it makes you look girly.
Drink responsibly.
Don't drink too much on the first night. I learned the hard way.
Check your balance once a day. Like, check your balance. This, put it in, swipe it, check it. Press the buttons.
Cruise is what you make it.
Yeah.
So you can do as much as you want or nothing at all.
Get in early for the sun lounges.
Go to bingo tomorrow.
Go to bingo tomorrow.
It's worth $4,000.
That's today.
That's
tomorrow.
today. Oh, it's afternoon. Oh yeah, don't go tomorrow. Buy your bingo tickets early so you don't have any queues. No, go tomorrow.
Don't listen to her.
No, go tomorrow. If you're coming with a big crowd,
Bring cards.
Make sure you pack your earplugs just in case your roommates snore.
I'm the snorer.
The chocolate in the rooms is really good, so make sure you eat it.
Just do stuff at the pool and it's pretty enjoyable. So yeah.
It's tough life, isn't it?
Yeah. Bring a highlighter for you to highlight what you want to do for the day.
Let's check out Acoustic Sounds with Danny Black.
Definitely go see Danny Black. Sure.
That's a great tip. Well, I hope you found that helpful. One thing I love about YouTube is that you can be watching this now, you can be watching this 5 years from now, and it's still relevant. So If you have your own tip or, you know, a question, just write in the comments. I'd be happy to look at it and see if I can answer that question and even share that tip. Look where I'm at. This is amazing. It was a great cruise, great crowds, had a lot of fun, just, you know, some sea days. And yeah, it's always great experience here on the ship. I'm looking forward to sharing a lot more tip videos with you guys, like editing and some sound enhancement, voiceovers, live streaming, all these kind of cool things, even travel tips. So I'm getting off the ship really early and I have an early flight back to Brisbane. So I'm looking forward to meeting back up with Emma. Sydney Harbour Bridge, Opera House. Goodbye. Wait, this is like a callback from like 2 years ago. Bye, Frank. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.